Good morning quarantine vlog. It's another day of being stuck at home. I don't really know what we're gonna get into today. I think first thing, what is happening? I think first thing I'm gonna do is make my bed, and then we will make some coffee and some breakfast. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I make my coffee. I drink a cold brew and I use Chamberlain coffee. These are steeped coffee bags, so they look like tea bags. And what you do to make the cold brew is you use 3 of these in water. I don't remember how much water exactly, but I just fill this, I think 32-ounce mason jar up to about here and put the coffee bags in, and I leave them in overnight, and then I have my cold brew. So I've got a mason jar with ice. Coffee. If I don't have the steeped coffee bags, I will use my Keurig, and I will just put my cup full of ice while it runs in, and then I will make my coffee the same way. So I like to use oat milk. I'm not gonna put a ton, just a little. And then I also like to use the Nut Pods creamer. I have original and hazelnut. This is just really good. I feel like it gives it a good flavor. And that is the iced coffee I make at home. It's been a few hours. I have been doing literally nothing, sitting on my couch and watching YouTube and watching Money Heist. I'm on the last episode, and this may be a little TMI, but you know, that time of the month came around. Aunt Flo came for a visit this morning, so we're literally just not doing anything today right now. So I'm going to take care of my hair because it needs some help. So I'm going to take my organic castor oil. This is the Cliganic 100% pure and natural castor oil, certified organic. I'm going to be putting this all in my scalp, and then I'm going to be taking my Olaplex number 3 hair perfector and putting this throughout the ends, and kind of mixing these together to put throughout the ends as well. So that's what we're going to do right now.
In the dark, stare into my eyes forever. Stare into my eyes. In the dark, stare into my eyes forever.
take a little bit of this Shea Moisture coconut oil and put it on like my ends. And now we've got the hair mask in, so we're just gonna chill. I don't know what's happening over here. But I'll probably leave this in. I might either wash it out tonight or I'll wash it out in the morning. I have a little basket, if that's what that's called, full of makeup and products. If you didn't know, I used to work at Ulta, and for 2 years I was a prestige manager over the entire high-end side of the store. So I used to do a ton of training and got so much free product, and this entire basket is stuff that I haven't opened ever. So what I'm gonna do is go through it, separate stuff I want to keep and stuff that I want to either donate or give away to friends or family or whatever. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Who knew I even had this? I'm keeping it and using it, but I didn't even know I had it. Another product, Build Up Buster. Well, I guess Diva Curl is like canceled now, isn't it? Guess I'm not gonna keep that. Okay, so this is stuff that I'm keeping. This is stuff that I'm giving to my 15-year-old sister that I know she would like. And this is stuff that I'm giving away to a friend. And this is stuff that either needs to be donated or gone through by my friends and family. So it's the next day. Yesterday was kind of a fail. I did absolutely nothing. So I washed out my hair mask this morning. So I'm just gonna show you a couple of products I'm going to put in my hair. During quarantine, I'm really not doing anything to my hair. Like, not even putting like curl product to like make it look cute. I'm just letting it air dry and live its best life. So I've got this Shea Moisture Cannabis Sativa Hemp Seed Oil Lush Length Light Leave-In Conditioner. My best friend recommended this to me, so I bought it, and here we are, gonna use it. I'm gonna spray it into my palm. Maybe. Oh, there we go. There we go. So I think we're gonna get into a few things today. I have a couple more things in my room that I want to go through and organize and possibly get rid of stuff. And then I know I need to do a load of laundry, and I want to like completely clean my room. I'm always like picking it up, but then it's like never like for real clean, you know what I mean? So that's what I want to do today. So let's get into First thing I've done is pick up all the clothes off of my floor. So this stuff needs to be hung up and put away. I'm going to take an Instagram photo in that bleach set later. And then I've got my laundry that I'm going to start now.
Stare into my eyes in the dark. Oh, stare into my eyes forever. Stare into my eyes.
Okay, so in here, I've got a bunch of random shit. So I'm gonna go through all of these. These ones have clothes in them up here. So I'm gonna go through all the ones down here and try to get rid of some stuff and organize, because I know I just got some random shit in here that probably just needs to go.
In the dark, oh, stare into my eyes forever. Forever.
So we've got hats, beanie, bandanas, and one.
Forever.
I have DVDs. What do I even do with these? I mean, I have a DVD player in storage, but like, I don't use it. I don't know. Okay, I have books in here. I don't have really anywhere else to put them, so they're just gonna stay in there for now. Oh god. So this one has literally all of my makeup palettes. So I guess I can probably go through these and get rid of some because I don't use all of these, so. Okay, so I've got this all cleaned up and organized over here. I've got this little tray with jewelry and stuff. And then I've got underwear, socks, bras, swimsuits. I went ahead and put biker shorts in this one. And then all of my crop tops and tanks in here. And then I've got all my extra stuff down there on the bottom. But, oh God, if you wonder why these have all of those marks on them, it's because of him. This is before.